everyone. We represent the investment team to provide the investment recommendation. We will start with the theory of change. We move from input research to impacts, and major focus on outcomes and impacts to provide satisfactory solutions and address the housing issues. This can optimize the social housing system and promote the social equity. Our investment theory is to provide stable housing for low-income people in cooperation with Coalitive and Blue CHP. This aims to improve living conditions and promote social equity. This aligns with the ambition to facilitate the achievement of SDG 11, 1 and 3. Our key stakeholders involved in this project include people in poor conditions. Our company, Summit Road Investment Financial Group, and other partners can get capital return. For the industry environment, our research on real estate found that housing availability is the primary concern for social issues. In 2023, the proportion of rent to income for Queenslander is around 36%. The position of our target company, Blue CHP, is a professional housing provider, and Coalitive is an infrastructure investor with long-term social impact. Then, we analyze the business model from 5 aspects, such as product and service and supply chain. We find that the main product for project company is housing, and for DRM is electronic power. They have different objectives that lead to different scale factors and management challenges.
As about the business strategy, Queensland Housing Investment Fund aims to improve the availability and sustainability of housing and promote the local economy. The Intree's renewable microgrid focus on promoting clean energy solutions to improve community life and stimulate economic growth. And we can see the SDG outcomes about those two projects. HIF encompasses 3 SDG outcomes and caters to approximately 8 SDG targets. DRM encompasses 5 SDG outcomes and caters to approximately 15 SDG targets. And for the timeline of those projects, both projects may start in mid-2023 and the HIF will be finished in 2025, while DRM will be finished in mid-2024. Besides, the HIF only lasts for 20 years, when DRM with no limit.
As for the investment management process and due diligence, we focus on 2 parts. The first one is the financial return feasibility of the investments. This includes the revenue structure and the risk identification and evaluation. The second is that we found out the company can well comply with the Queensland government's legal requirements and the SDG targets. Later, we take a deep research about the financial risk and return targets of both companies. As for HIF program, we can say they have a conservative estimate of outcomes and they take responsibility for maintenance with their own funds and they can have a stable revenue streams. However, as for the DRM program, they lack the bidding quotes, the due diligence, and some accurate technical reports which shows a higher financial risk.
As the impact management project, for example, optimizing the social housing system, the short-term goal is to improve the acceptability and affordability of housing, as well as the stability and development of the community. The baseline of the outcome is to reduce the housing burden rate of low-income families to an acceptable level. Each strategy clearly identifies the main stakeholders with a focus on Australian Sunshine Coast and Melbourne. The depth of these strategies also constant strengthening, such as increasing the government's plan by 2%. All strategies have a validity period of 20 years.
For this part, we focus on 3 factors. The first is the risk, meaning get some investment return risk. Also, we find out the project have some opportunities like addressing the shortage of housing or enhance the company's reputation and influence. Also, the companies may encounter some challenges like potential delays in delivering high quality properties. As for our recommendation, we think that HIF projects are more suitable and worthwhile investments. This is due to our team has a better understanding and assessment of sustainable development in the real estate industry. This is our reference list. Thanks for listening.